Welcome. This video is a part of a series provided by Miami-Dade College Learning Resources to help with the transition to remote learning. In this video, we will cover the process by which you can create your Mdc account. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Miami-Dade College homepage, www.mdc.edu. From here, you'll want to hover over the word Portals and make your way over to Student Portal. Once this page is loaded up, you'll want to find Create an Mdc Account. If you've never applied for the college, you will move over to New Students. This will take you over to the application process for Miami-Dade College. If you are already a student and simply have not created an account, please click on Returning Students. Here, you will be taken to the Miami-Dade College Student Login Portal. You'll see there's a lot of information on the screen, but most notably, you will need your student ID number, or if you don't have it, your social security number, your first name, your last name, and your date of birth ready. If you have all four of these pieces of information ready, just click on Continue. From here, you will fill out each field as requested. If you have two or more last names, please note that you will enter your last names into the last name field. Once you have entered all the information, you will press Continue. Once you press Continue, you will be taken to Miami-Dade College's Computing Resources Policy. Please read it over at your own leisure, and once you're done, if you accept, please press Accept at the bottom. From here, you will be asked to create a security question. This will be used in order to recover your account password in the case that you forget it. After entering your security question, you'll be asked to create a password. As can be seen on the screen, your password must be at least 15 characters in length and contain 3 of the following things: a number, a symbol, a lowercase letter, or an uppercase letter. After that, you're done. You'll see that your username is provided to you at the top center of the page, and in addition, your My MDC email account will be created for you. In the case that you've entered this information correctly, however it is unable to verify the account, you'll see this message. If this happens, we ask that you click on where it says Student Registration. From here, you will be taken to a web page that has every campus's contact information. We ask that you please call your campus's general number for assistance. Those are all the steps required for you to create your MDC account. Have a great day.